Jaypriya. National bird by Varsha. National animal by Lohita. National currency by Joshni. National flag by Anvita.
Good morning everyone. My name is Parthavi. I am studying first class. I am a lotus. I am the national flower of India. I am pink in color. I have big brown leaves. I grow in fresh water. I symbolize beauty, purity and knowledge. I am the favorite son of goddess Lakshmi and Saraswati. Everyone likes me very much. Thank you.
National bird by Varsha.
Good morning. My name is Varsha. I am studying first class. Today I am dressed up like the national bird peacock. Have long necks and beautiful feathers. I love dancing. And symbol of joy, grace and beauty. Thank you.
National animal by Lohita.
Good morning, teachers. Hello, friends. I am Lohita of first class. I am a tiger. Please don't kill me. Save tiger, thank you.
National currency by Joshni.
Good morning, my name is Joshni. I am studying first class. I am national currency. I am called as Rupi. You need me to buy all the things. Thank you.
National flag by Anvita.
Hello everyone. My name is Anvita. I am from first standard. Look at me. I am the national flag of India. I am designed by Pingal Venkaya. I am symbol of freedom. I have 3 colors: saffron, white and green. People salute me. Jai Hind.
Ma, stand here, girls.